welcome to another Nik quick tip. Today I'm going to show you a quick thing that you can do with Glamour Glow that I like to use on reflections. So I'm going to use my selective tool and I'm going to click on Glamour Glow and it will automatically apply it within Color Efex Pro 4. You can see the effect is pretty mild, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank up the glow to 100% or near there. And I'm going to click on the add control point and I'm just going to add it to the water in the bottom of this image. I might duplicate that control point, hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag it. Might make this one a little bit smaller because I don't want it to affect the top half of this image. And I'm going to do a quick compare. So here's before and here's after. Now it did affect the entire image. I'm fine with that, but you can clearly come in here and add some subtract control points if you want to remove that from the top half of your image or any part of your image that you want to take that effect away. But let's see the before and after. You can see how that it basically took the chaos out of the reflections in the water here. Made them darker, softer, a little bit more contrasty, but it actually takes your eye into the image and aims it more towards the flowers along the water here. So if I click OK, and if I turn that off and on in Photoshop, you can just see how it kind of tamed the beast. It took care of some of the chaos in this reflection here, and I use that very frequently. That's one of the things that you can do with Glamour Glow. It's not just about making skin softer or fur softer, although you can definitely use it for those purposes. It has some other uses as well. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. I'll see you next time.